What is going on? This is your boy Endless checking in with another video. I just wanted to show you guys today how that you can view tags and also what category that the videos are in just by reading some simple HTML code. I was taking a look here, and some of these services actually charge in order to do this, but there's a way to do it for free if you can learn how to do it, and that's what I wanted to show you guys right now is how to view tags. And I'm actually going to show you on my video how I do it. For example, I'm going to show you this one here, EVGA Supernova. I'm going to click on my video. After you click on the video, then go on ahead and right click just anywhere in white, and you should probably do this on a desktop or a laptop, not on your mobile phone. But if you right click on view page source, it will then load up with a bunch of what I believe is HTML code. And I know all this looks a little crazy, but there's only two main things that you're looking for in here. One is going to be keywords, and one is going to be categories. So what you do is you left click in the white on this page and do a Control F. And Control F will open up the find field up here on the top. What I'm going to type in here is keywords. And this right here, keywords, it says content equals. These are all the keywords or the tags that I used for this specific video. And you can view this for any video. This isn't just this one, but this is all the tags that I use. And as you can see, it stops right here as soon as it gets to a link or release. So, and all you would have to do is highlight this, right click and hit copy, and just throw it into a notepad. And then you can go through it if you want. So we'll do this right here. After each comma, you can see what was used for each keyword. And you can do this for any video. So the reason why this is beneficial is because for videos that have a lot of views, it's always good to see what the algorithm is using or what keywords are triggering the views for that. It doesn't mean you're going to get a bunch of views on your video. Sometimes it takes an audience and a huge subscriber base to truly get a lot of views, but it will definitely help with the algorithm. Another thing that you want to go in and check is the category. So we're going to type. So this right here, you can see category, science and technology. And this is where my video is set to for science and technology just by searching category. Those are the two main things that you want to look for out of this whole entire thing with all this code. There's some other things that you can check, but those are the two main ones that I look for. Another thing is also, it's always good to actually look through the actual description on the video, see what they have here. So, and this is just a prime example of things that you can look for, and you can use this on any video that you want to. Another thing that I recommend doing is say that you want to find out the keywords for a video that has a lot of views. Let's just type in here. Let's type in here a power supply. So EVGA power supply. It's going to load up a bunch of different stuff. As you can see here, this video has that many views out of 6 years. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to go over the filters and just put over here for view count or upload date, whichever one. And this will show you the video for the search term that you typed in, the one with the most amount of views, and it'll go in order. So like this one right here, these top creators up here have a lot of subscribers. So probably maybe some of their tagged words aren't really helping too much. It's because they have a huge subscriber base. So if we click on this here, Jay's 2 cents, right click, view page source, same thing for this one here. Control F and keywords. And as you can see here, boom, these are all the keywords that he used for tags. And you can copy and paste them. It's always good to proofread in here what they're doing and what tags that they're using to put into your videos, because some of these in here, obviously you wouldn't want to have Jay's 2 cents in there. That's the name of his YouTube channel. And you just want to go through this and use each one as needed. So, and then I'll also show you the category. There it is right there, category, science and technology. So this is just a quick how-to on how to view this. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. This is your boy Endless. Like, comment, subscribe for more content. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.